here weighs about 4.7 kilograms. But flying at high speed, she is able to snatch a prey of up to 4 kilograms. And that is almost her entire body weight.
Wow, that is impressive, Shreya. And you know what? All juvenile bald eagles have dark brown plumage, and it takes about 5 to 6 years for them to reach maturity. If you're wondering how does that look like, let's watch this video. Wow, truly amazing transformation, right, Shahira?
That's right, Shawan. But speaking about change, let's all welcome Susie, our female